If you guys think that was neat, check this out.
It's bad enough you beat me. You don't have to show off with an instant replay.
At ease, soldier. It's not Meteor on the replay. It's you.
Me? I've never seen myself on video before. Hey, can I have a copy to show my dad?
Sure, but only if you teach me how to do a perfect donut.
Deal. Meteor? What I said before about you not being a real monster truck?
That's okay, Jose. I know what I am.
Yeah, you're a real, official Crushington Park monster truck.